Hi, Tony with Blue Collar Barbecue. Today Mother Nature's given us a break from winter, so we're going to be doing some St. Louis style ribs. It's going to be a dry rib, and I'm going to show you how we do it. We're going to be using the Weber Smokey Mountain today. Sorry guys at Ironside, I'm not going to break out the big boy just for 3 racks of ribs. But we will be doing a video using the Ironside smoker in the next couple of weeks. If you haven't checked out... Alright, so first we're going to be getting the charcoals lit. Today we're just using the Kingsford blue bag charcoals. I'm going to use Weber's starter cubes. Get the coals lit. What I did is filled half a chimney filled with the charcoal briquettes, and then I've already got my wood mixed in with the other briquettes. And the wood that we're using today is going to be a hickory wood, and right there what I've got cut up, what you see, will be plenty to get this going and smoke these ribs through and through for the day. So we'll get these lit. Now I'll go inside and I'll prepare the ribs. Stick around. Alright, so our coals are lit and ashed over, so now we're going to take the lit coals and put them in with the rest and get the rest of the coals going and get some smoke started. I just pour the lit coals all around over the top and then let it burn slowly down. Alright, get the rest of the cooker set up. Gonna add our water so the ribs don't dry out. I'm not going to be using a mop today. I'm going to be using apple juice and a little bit of water in a spray bottle just to spritz the ribs so they stay nice and moist and keep them tender. Alright. Get our cooking grate on here. I've got the vents on the bottom halfway open. I got the vent on top opened up fully. Draw that smoke up through. Alright, now let's go work on the ribs. Alright, now we're ready to get our ribs prepped and seasoned. I think earlier in the video I mentioned that we were going to be doing St. Louis cut ribs. Turns out these are baby backs, and I got these from our local Aldi's grocery store. I've always had really good luck with them. I've already got the membrane off on this rack. I'm just going to go over the seasoning process that we use. And today the seasoning that we're going to be using is the Midwest Spice Company's Craft Spice Blends. It's their Whiskey Maple Smoke. This is the first time we're going to be trying it. Hopefully that shows up. And we'll give a little review on what we think of this particular blend. We had really good luck with the last seasoning that we used that came from Craft Spice Blends. So we'll just start out. Give a good healthy dose of the rub. This rub smells really good. It's got a great color. I think this is going to give these ribs a really good flavor. Make sure you get both sides. If you're looking for videos out there for removing the membrane, if you haven't seen any of those, try Every Day, All Day Barbecue, Baby Back Maniac, the Holler Barbecue. T-Roy Cooks does a really good job with his videos. Give any one of them a try. Alright, I'm going to do the other 2 racks and we'll see you out at the smoker. Alright, so we've got our smoker up to temp. We're going to be cooking these right around 250, between 250 and 275. And we'll cover the lid up, and then we'll check them in about an hour, and then that's when we're going to spritz them. But first, let's get these things on here. Those look really, really good. So now I let the ribs come up to about room temperature with the rub on them, just to pull some of the juices up and give it some really good flavor. We'll get a close-up shot of that in a little bit, but those look really good. All right, we'll see you guys back in. All right, it's been about an hour now, and we're going to take a look at the ribs and see how they're coming along. Temperature's still going right along at 250. This Weber Smokey Mountain has always been good for me. I like using it. I still like to use it, especially when I'm doing a smaller cook. If you're looking for a good starter smoker, I recommend the Weber Smokey Mountain. If you're looking to upgrade, I recommend Ironside Smoker. Well, those are looking really good. I don't think we need to spritz them yet. We'll let them go just a little bit longer and check back. Alright, so we're at the 2-hour mark. We're going to give these a quick spritz. Those look really, really good. I am looking forward to giving these ribs a try. I really got to say, I am thankful for the weather today. Winter has lasted far too long. It's probably the first good day we've had, winter-wise, weather-wise, in Wisconsin for several months. So I'm real thankful for this. Alright, so we're about at the 3.5-hour mark. We've given another spritz. Those look awesome. Really can't wait to try this and get a taste of that new rub that we're trying out. Let you guys all know what we think of it. Stay tuned. Alright, our first rack of ribs is done. Got them off the cooker and let them rest. Boy, that color looks awesome and they smell phenomenal. I really can't wait to get into these. So right now what I'm going to do is take and just dust top of the ribs, a little bit of spice. It was the same spice we originally seasoned them with. And let's take a look. Oh, those are nice and tender. Oh, look at that. Really good smoke ring. Nice and juicy and tender. I'm calling these perfect. Alright, so that's our take on a smoked Memphis dry rib. Let's give these a try and see how they taste. Oh, those are perfect. And that is another fine job by Midwest Spice Company, their craft spice blends, the whiskey maple smoke. Let me try to say that again. The whiskey maple smoke. Really good flavor, very nice, got a little bit of pop on the backside. I really like this rub. Thanks for watching and see you next time.